naman na makalusot, automatically ire-rescan po siya ni integrity scanning and signing pipeline, then ipo-pull out niya po 'to and ika-quarantine niya po para po hindi na siya kumalat and hindi na siya ma-access ng iba, yun lang po.
Sige, continue.
So yung next question po is, what if yung main application server is nag-crash or become unresponsive? Meron bang backup system that maintains the customer access and prevents data loss?
Yes po. Dito po sa main parts or system components, makikita po natin may backup and version control service. It keeps historical versions of uploaded files so customers can restore an earlier version if needed. So nire-restore niya ang customer's data from the most recent redundant snapshot. So there is no permanent data loss. And
So, we take into account din po yung possibility po nun, in which po we created the account isolation layer po that ensures that each customer, yung pong rented server nila, yung storage, at saka uploaded files po nila is walled off from every other customers. Meaning po, never po silang naging visible or accessible to other renter. For our fail-safe table, if one customer's service is compromised, the account isolation layer prevents any lateral movement to other customer servers or files. It will contain po yung breach to a single instance. Since control po namin yung structure niya, we are we are able to do that po, which others can't. Since pwede po namin i-pull out yung server na yun if ever na feeling po nila is in the risk po na ma-open yung kanilang account. And since po na we are back po by the ISO IEC 27001, in which po that it says na dapat po is encrypted po lagi yung mga data, and in transit po ng mga data dapat po is role-based po sila. So yung least privilege access control and routine po is ina-admit po by third-party audits. That's all po.
Kapag na-discover ng administrator na yung software package ay may malware o critical defect, paano agad mapipigilan yung patuloy na distribution nito since ano nga siya, defect?
So according dun sa section 3.1, emergency stop, platform level kill switch, if a critical bug, malware, or corrupted file is discovered after it has already been published, so pwede nang i-quarantine or alisin agad ng administrator ang file sa buong platform within seconds. So dahil dito, automatic pong nahihinto ang lahat ng susunod na downloads para hindi na ito ma-access ng ibang user.
Na-satisfied kayo sa sagot? May tanong pa ba?
Wala na po, sir.
Okay.